In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are people we don't like, and maybe there are enough number of that. Why don't we like them? And what is the impact of disliking them? Why don't we like? Because we are of the view that they have said something, certain bad things about me, they did certain bad things about me, they may do, given the opportunity, they may do certain other bad things against me. This is what we think about them, and that is why we dislike them. We keep thinking the bad they did to us, the bad they did try to do with us, the bad they said about us, the bad they may say or may do about us in the future. We keep thinking about it, we keep thinking about it. Several times, several times, several times we do think about that. Every time we do think it, thoughts like this one releases the poison, the toxicity, the garbage, the dirt. Not only this thing, it is a kind of volcano. It is a kind of toxic well. Every time we come across those people, we spill this toxicity, whether it is justified or not. That's another thing. We spill some of the toxicity and some of this poison upon those people. And we do spill it upon those even in their absence once we are talking about others. Once we are talking with others about him, her. And he, she does come to know sooner or later that this man, in my absence, spills the poison and the toxicity upon me, and in my presence too, but up to a lesser degree once I am present. While interacting with those people, we spill some of this toxicity and negativity upon those people, and we receive the same sort of toxicity and negativity from those people as well. This is the trade of toxicity, the trade of negativity, the trade of poison, the trade of dirt, the trading of dirt. Rather, it is a kind of bartering the poison, the toxicity, the dirt, the garbage, the filth. We are trading this thing with those people. How is that? If at all we are trading the toxicity, the poison, the filth, the dirt, the garbage, we are going to multiply this garbage, this dirt, this poison, this toxicity, this filth in our mind and subsequently in the whole of our body as well. What is the impact of this upon our lives? Nothing but poisonous and toxicity. What to do? Stop circulating this sort of filth, this sort of poison and toxicity in the mind, because it travels from the top to the bottom, because it travels from our brain to each and every organ of our body, because it circulates in our blood, and every time we come across someone else, we might try to spill this filth and dirt and toxicity upon about him or her with another person. We are wasting our time and we are burning ourselves. We are wasting our time on the one hand, we are burning ourselves on the other hand. We are toxifying, making poisonous our own life, because our thoughts have become poisonous, because our attitudes have become poisonous, and ultimately our life has become quite poisonous as well. Our body becomes quite poisonous. Is it something good? It is something the worst can happen with us. Stop doing it. And you might have a reason that since the filth is coming, the dirt, the poison, the toxicity is coming from the other side, how can I shower the flowers and the flower petals upon a person like this one? Maybe I think so that if at all you stop doing this thing, sooner or later the other side too will stop doing it. Rather, if it is possible, either it is far better not to talk about them anymore in their absence, and do not speak anything poisonous and toxicity in front of them. And if at all it is possible, do something positive. If at all you are throwing the positivity, I think the positivity will start returning soon. I think that sooner or later that our counterpart in spreading the poison and the toxicity and the negativity and the filth will realize that this is wrong, because this is unjustified. They will mend their fences, I think so. And it is quite wise to do it as soon as possible, rather to make it a decision very now, from very this moment, that I am not going to do it anymore at all. I am not going to carry it on further, because it is a mere negativity, because it is a mere toxicity, poison and filth. No more toxic relationships, no more toxic thoughts. And that is how we can detoxify our life. If at all we want to detoxify our life, if at all we do have to detoxify our brain, we do have to detoxify our mind, we do have to detoxify our thoughts, and we do have to detoxify our conversation, our talks, our attitude. And that is how the detoxification process will begin, and will go on unless it becomes totally cleansed. Now it is our responsibility to stop the further inflow of any sort of toxicity and negativity and poison and filth. What do you think? Do it. Do it very now. The life is given to us only once, and we will never ever be able to get this life again. That is why it is so necessary, and that is why it is so essential. Thank you.